Welcome back to Beautyistic. Let me ask you something. When it comes to mascara, are you team length, team volume, or team I want it all? Because today, I've got a product that promises to deliver on that dramatic full lash look without compromising on clean, vegan beauty standards. I'm talking about the Milk Makeup KUSH Mascara in black, a volumizing formula designed to give thicker, fuller lashes from root to tip. This mascara is built around two key components: hemp seed oil, which works to condition and keep lashes soft, and vegan waxes that help the thickening fibers stay put. On paper, that combination means you get both nourishment and volume, while the formula itself is free from parabens, fragrance, alcohol, and gluten. Plus, it's cruelty-free and vegan, which is a non-negotiable for many beauty lovers today. The brand positions it as long-wearing, smudge-proof, and non-flaking, which are all essential boxes a high-performance mascara should tick. Now, let's talk about how it performs in the real world. Applying this mascara was fairly straightforward. The wand has a bristle design that grips well onto the lashes and distributes product evenly. What stood out most to me was how buildable it is. A single coat gave me defined, separated lashes that look natural but fuller. With 2 or 3 coats though, the volume really started to pop, giving that dramatic, high-impact look you want for evenings out or when you just feel like making a statement. The hemp seed oil does make a difference. You don't get that brittle, crunchy lash feeling some volumizing mascaras leave behind. That said, it's not without its quirks. Because the formula leans a little wetter, I noticed it takes a few moments to set. If you're someone who blinks right after application, you'll want to be careful to avoid smudges during those first seconds. Once it sets, however, it holds beautifully throughout the day. I didn't experience flaking, and the smudge-proof claim held up well, even in slightly humid conditions. Removal was also easy. It came off cleanly with a gentle cleanser without tugging at the lashes. Before I go further, let me pause for a quick reminder. If you're finding this review helpful so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. It means a lot, and it helps more beauty lovers discover honest reviews here on Beautyistic. Back to the mascara, pros and cons. On the plus side, you're getting a vegan, clean formula that truly does deliver volume without sacrificing lash health. It's comfortable, buildable, and performs consistently across different settings. On the downside, the wetter texture won't suit everyone. It requires a bit of patience during application. And while the volume is impressive, if your priority is extreme length, you may find it doesn't quite stretch lashes the way some lengthening mascaras do. In terms of value for money, Milk Makeup isn't the cheapest option on the shelf, but the price point does align with the brand's positioning as a clean, high-performance line. When you factor in the conditioning benefits, cruelty-free credentials, and solid wear, I'd say the cost is justified for those who prioritize both performance and ethical beauty. If you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative, drugstore mascaras like Maybelline Lash Sensational or L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise deliver excellent results, though they don't come with the same clean and vegan stamp that Milk Makeup offers. The build quality is also worth mentioning. The tube has a weighty, luxe feel, which adds to the overall experience. That said, the wand can pick up a bit more product than needed at times, so wiping off the excess before application helps prevent clumping. Longevity-wise, the formula holds its integrity throughout the day without fading, which is exactly what you want from a mascara that markets itself as long-wearing. So, here's my verdict. The Milk Makeup KUSH Mascara lives up to its promise of delivering thick, voluminous lashes while keeping them soft and conditioned. It's best suited for those who love bold lash looks and want a clean, vegan option without compromising performance. If you're someone who prioritizes length above all else, you may want to layer this with a lengthening mascara. But if volume is your holy grail, this one deserves a spot in your makeup bag. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. The link to check out this mascara is in the description below. And if you've tried the Milk Makeup KUSH Mascara yourself, I'd love to hear your experience. Did it give you the volume you were looking for? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.